Hi my loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna show you how I save money. I kind of save like 180 to 200, right, by doing my own box braids. So that's the beauty about you're able to do your own box braids. So I'm gonna show you the product that I use. First, rubber bands. Second, challenge jam. I'm not a big fan of this product. I don't like the way I don't know, it's not that bad though. It's just expensive, you know. If you can afford it, hey, go for it, but it's just expensive. I might never use it again. So I also have the freetress clean therapy. I'm in love with this braid. It's pre-rinse, pre-stretch, like ugh, so good. All right, so I'm parting my hair 2 ways. My hair is very extremely short. Okay, so I also struggle with doing the middle part of my head. I don't know why I could never get it right. Anybody else? All right, so let's do the back now. The back, there's pretty much no hair in the back, like you can see. Okay, but don't worry about that. If you're dealing with the same thing, you can use rubber band to do it, and it will hold. Because so far I have my hair on for like maybe 3 weeks and it's still doing pretty much, it's still looking good. Still looking good. So I also shaved the back of my head. I did that because I don't like the way that my back head looks. So I always shave it. Okay, always. So yeah. Okay, now let's start with the braids. First you're gonna apply your shining gel. You can use the shining jam, I think that's the name for it. Okay, you can use that. So you pot and then you put the rubber bands. Okay, the rubber bands, what's gonna do, it's gonna help you when you're trying to add the extension, because it make it easy since you don't have hair there. Now if I wanted to, I could have grabbed this, but I have some nails that day, so I don't think I could have. And I feel like the rubber band make it look so much neat. Okay, and if you cannot grab your own hair, I feel like the rubber band is the good way to also go, because you can it makes it so much easier, which I'm gonna show you how I do it with the rubber bands, how I put the extension with the rubber band. And I'm also gonna show you how I just grab my own hair without the rubber bands, because I'm only doing the rubber bands in the back, and the other part, they're not that short. I can work with them. Keep on watching. So guys, if you get any value from this video, please remember to subscribe, like, comment. Now the way I put my hair, I learned this technique from a YouTuber. I'm gonna find her name and maybe tell you about her technique, because I don't want to really talk much about her technique because I forgot her name. But if I find her video again, I will come back and do a video separate for that method. And her method will basically save me a lot of time. Usually I will just basically just guess, you know the measurement while I'm doing my hair, but this method literally save you time, and you can just prep your hair before you start doing your hair. So now this is the method from the rubber bands. Like, I struggle with it in the beginning. For some reason the back is so short, I could not grab it. Okay, it was a struggle. But now this is the thing about braiding, and if you feel from it, don't worry if you cannot get it the first time. It's okay. It's okay. It's all good. Keep on trying. Okay? Keep on trying. Keep on trying, and you're gonna get it. I promise you. You're gonna get it. Braiding, it's so easy. I could never understand people that cannot braid. I'm sorry to say that. Because I learned how to braid my hair at a very early age. I think maybe that's why I don't get it. But I'm not judging. Okay? I'm here to help. So make sure you watch what I'm doing pretty much closely. That's why I zoom in for y'all, so y'all can see what I'm doing. Okay, and I'm gonna do it 2 times in this video so you guys can see how I grab the hair. But it's so much easy, very easy. But if you don't get it the first time, like I said, don't worry, you got this. Okay. And also, now, for you to avoid flyaways, you know how sometimes you braid your hair, the braiding hair, you get so much flyaways and it doesn't look neat. It's because you're not using product. Some people do not like to use product. I will never understand those people. So make sure you use the gel to kind of like make everything look neater, smoother, and perfect. You know, your braids will always look perfect with the product. Some people don't like product. I got that, but I use product. That's what makes my braid look so much neater, and you know, and all. And also make sure when you're braiding very close. So do you see how it's easy to just add the extension on top of the braids, on top of the rubber band, and start braiding? It's that easy. Okay, I know it takes time and practice, but you got this. Alright guys, so I'm gonna show you the technique that I use basically without the rubber band. So like I said, if you can grab your own hair, you don't need the rubber band. That's why I did not rubber band my whole head, because I can grab it. Okay, it's not that difficult for me to do. I've been doing it for years. So this is the other way to do it. I zoom in for you guys, so just watch it closely and you will get it. If anything, let me know. I will do a whole other video to explain this until you get it. Okay. Okay guys, so you see how I did the back so big, right? And remember, when you're doing this technique, now you put the back very big, okay? But you're using the same amount of hair as you're gonna use in the front, so everything can match. Very important, remember that, okay? So the reason I did the back very big is because I'm supposed to go to work that day, and if I take the day off, I'm losing money. I'm not making money at work, so it's like technically I'm not saving money. You know, I'm basically sitting there doing my own hair and not going to work, so I'm losing money. So I still have to go to work. So I had to basically do it in the back very big, so I kind of save time. I did not like the last part of the back. I did fix it at the end of this video, so if you see that, don't worry. And that's what I think. I'll let you see that part of the video because I want you to see what can happen if you don't part your way the right way, if you don't use the right amount of braiding hair when you part, how it's gonna look. So like you can see, it looks fucked up. Okay, so that's a little tip also. So I'm gonna do the front now. I'm gonna do the front a little bit way smaller than the back, and I will go to work and take a break. So when I'm back from work, I will finish my hair. Okay. So I'm giving you guys another close-up on how I grab the hair, like you see. So I know this is not sanitary at all. I got this. But when you start grabbing the hair in the front, it hurts so much. That's the only way I can imagine to keep on braiding without the pain. So whenever you're doing the front, you can do this, put the hair in your mouth. It's not good, but I do it, so I'm sorry. So it does help though. It does help stop the pain because it's so painful, believe me. And one thing is, by doing this, you're saving your edges. I don't care. At this point, I don't care about my mouth. I'm just focused on my edges. Work was not busy, so I left early. I was like, you know what, let me come back to do this. I made some money, it was okay, but you know, I needed to take a break. So I'm trying to finish this side. So what I did, and that's why I'm showing you this part, I'm doing like the side part first before I go to the top. The reason why I do this is kind of like to help you part it the right way and remember what you did, and also it helps you finish faster. Okay, if you guys ever try this, let me know. Oh, and also I'm using Shine Gem because this, like, I'll use one. This do not last. It's expensive. It's like 10. It's expensive. This is $10. This is $10. So I prefer this one. It's cheaper. I feel like they do the same freaking job. So I don't have a preference. I actually don't. So if you don't have money, get this one. I will never get this one again. If I wanted to try it, but I don't see the difference. Yeah, and it's the same goddamn, it's the same brand, just different packaging and more expensive. Tricky shit. But yeah, let me finish this side and I'll show you when I'm a little. Okay, all done. I did not even like had the strength to record the last braids for ya. I was so freaking tired, guys. Oh my god, I was tired. But this is the final result. Don't mind the background of this shot. Don't mind it, okay? I'm sorry about that. Don't mind this. Do not judge me. Alright, but you see this? Can you see this, guys? Like, ugh, perfection. Okay? If I pay someone to do this, they will still charge me the same price. And I'm okay with that. Because sometimes when I don't feel like doing my own braids, I'm okay with paying for it. But sometimes too, baby, I can do this. Okay? Look at this. Look at it. Ugh. I'm in love. Oh, that's like 3 weeks later, guys. So yeah, and my braids still looking nice, fresh, sexy as hell. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Like always, I love you so damn much. Bye.